Hi everyone, this is Carlo and welcome back to my channel. This video is a new stationery journaling supplies update. Kind of matching with the mug today. I just received my order from MISO Paper, which is this amazing online shop where you can find the best pens, stationery, stickers, washi tapes, but also storage solutions and accessories for your art, your journaling from Japan, Korea, Malaysia, all those beautiful designs that are not very easy to find in this part of the world. I'm gonna do an unboxing now for you and show you what I've purchased. Stay until the end because after that we're gonna have a nice vloggy chat about the month of January that just finished, and we're gonna have a sneak peek of my next videos and projects. But now it's unboxing time. So the parcel arrived in this little box delivered by Royal Mail in less than 48 hours from the dispatch. I'm gonna open it now. There we go. There's some nice fluffy tissue paper that I'm gonna, of course, you know me, keep aside and reuse for some other projects. I can't help noticing the extra care that has been put into the packaging of these goodies. What's inside these little polka dot crackling little parcels? Oh, before opening them, this is one of the products that I've ordered. It's 2 sheets of collage washi tapes. Actually, collage washi paper coming from Japan. The brand is Yohaku and they are designed by Kaori Watanabe. If you like vintage tickets and newspaper with vaguely French aesthetic like I do, you will love this adhesive semi-translucent washi paper. You can tear it and use it as a building block for your journals or to decorate handwritten letters. Next, I suspect that this little bundle contains the tape rolls that I've ordered. Yeah, exactly. Oh, I remember this one. I was very curious about it. This is, if I can manage to open it without turning this video into a Tarantino movie. This is from a Malaysian designer, Nairet. Let's see if I can show you. It's advertised as a washi, but it's technically more a pet tape. Oh, the gorgeousness of these. It's constellated with little tickets and travel-related images and pieces of text. I'm gonna use this a lot on my travel journals. Next in line we have, this one is not a full roll. MISO Paper gives you the option, if you don't want to commit to a full roll or washi, to have just one full loop of the design, which is usually 2 meters of tape, which is great. And this one is, oh, it's lovely. This is from Pion, a Taiwanese artist, and it's a roll of paper stickers inspired by notes, to-do lists, receipts, all the things that we encounter on our day-to-day. It's really giving romanticizing the mundane vibes. Okay, I roll it back into this elastic band because onwards we go with this incredible piece. This tape is called Journey Once Upon a Time and it's by Lin Chianing. I think I'm butchering all the pronunciations today, so apologies in advance. And it's so timeless and nostalgic, very dark academia, a touch of gothic, a hint of fairy tale without being too cutesy. Oh my god, I love this tape so much that I want to marry it, move to the countryside and bake banana bread all the time. But I still have one roll to show you, and it's another fantastic one. Smaller than I was expecting, which is okay, it gives you a range of usage. And look at this. It's called Eternal Silhouettes. It's cinematic, it's vintage film photography, it's oh my god, how much I miss 1968, even if I wasn't even alive yet. Definitely the vintage theme comes across all these products that I've ordered. And it's time now to open this bigger bag full of goodies. I'm like a kid in a candy shop at this point. And how beautifully are these items put together. Honestly, the packaging. Here we have, oh, this is such a nice touch. It's a thank you note from Barbara, which is the girl that runs MISO Paper. Dear Carlo, thank you so much for supporting my small business. Thank you. It's so important to support small businesses as much as we can. And the card comes with little samples. This card is lovely, by the way. Coffee themed, absolutely relatable. Now look at this subtle and pastel-toned paper bundle. It's inspired by the Four Seasons and it's called Solar Terms by Freckles Tea. 60 papers in total, 12 different designs. The aesthetic of this, I'm absolutely stunned. Great as a background for journaling and collage, or to write little letters. Speaking of note cards, I'm almost debating if opening or not this cuteness overload of a bundle, but it needs to be done. It does. So, these are from Siyun Studio, a Taiwanese designer, and they are the Sandstone Shadow Note Papers in 4 different designs. Think of late summer afternoons, think of relaxing on the lanai. It's very Golden Girls, this word, the lanai. So you're relaxing on the lanai with your eyes semi-closed and you still see the shadow of the plants that you have around moving in the summer breeze. Exactly, so this is the feel, this is the vibe, the manifesto of these cards. Going on with the products, we find Kaori Watanabe once again with these minimalist stickers inspired by postal stamps. Absolutely beautiful, so nice and sleek. These next 2 bundles are decorated tracing papers by a brand called Moo. We're gonna open them, just brutally and roughly tearing the paper. I'm channeling my Christian Grey energy. This pack is called Earthy Mist, and isn't it the sexiest color palette you've ever seen? I have the answer, it is. Semi-translucent, perfect to create layers and make super precious creations. The second one is called Day and Night, and it has these fun designs inspired by daily planners, but also these whimsical ones with the moon phases. Also ethereal and monochromatic. I'm obsessed. Last but not least, in this coffee-colored envelope that I'm struggling to open, we have another product by Siyun Studio. This bundle of vintage receipts in 6 different colors and designs. If you, like me, are passionate about scrapbooking with vintage vibes, you certainly know how receipts and tickets are a great element to set the tones straight away, so I'm very happy with these products. And I'm very happy with all this MISO paper order, really. Beautiful products, so well packaged. I highly recommend you to have a look at the MISO Paper website and treat yourself to these gorgeous paper goodies that will surely enhance your journaling experience. MISO Paper is also hosting a 3-day pop-up event here in London in May, with workshops, product showcase, a Japanese-style cafe where you can sit down and journal and hang out with friends. So grab your tickets while they're still available. I got mine already, so I'm gonna see you there if you go too. Back to us. I don't know how your January went. It usually tends to be a very long month. Mine was quite challenging, if I can say. It was definitely a very slow start of the year. My body felt the need to slow down and kind of hibernate on some days. Mood-wise, the combination of the awful weather here in London and the awful news of international politics didn't exactly help make it cheerful. I've been reading this book called Wintering by Katherine May, and it really opened my eyes on the importance of slowing down, rest, and retreat when times are particularly tough. We live with this hunger for productivity and goal achievement, which is great when it's sane, but we need to be wise enough to understand when it's the time to press pause and have a little rest. So this was definitely the lesson that I learned in January. First month on my new Leuchtturm planner, and I'm very happy and pleased with the coding system that I'm using and the stickers combination. I noticed that I naturally started micro-journaling too on my planner. I think I'm gonna second this impulse and use the planner not only to plan my tasks, but also to document my life a little bit. I started a reading journal too, where I combine a bit of collage with quotes and paragraphs from the books that I'm reading, copying them when they particularly resonate with me. Also to be able to remember what I liked of these books. So definitely expect a video about reading journals soon. And I've also been creating my travel journal dedicated to my time in beautiful Edinburgh in Scotland. And I'm gonna make a very detailed video about how I plan the visual storytelling, how I choose the style, how I incorporate little collected items and mementos. It's a big piece of work, but I hope that I can wrap up the video and upload it very soon. That's all for today. I'm gonna go and journal a little bit with the paper goodies from my MISO paper order. Let me know in the comments how the start of this 2025 was for you, if you have any tips or rituals to tackle the winter blues. And as always, if you like this video, feel free to like, comment, share and subscribe. And also take a look at my Buy Me a Coffee page, where you can find downloadable printables and resources, and where, if you can support my channel for the price of a coffee. This was me, Carlo, and until next video, take care, be kind, and see you soon.